friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? Today I'm sharing you a very amazing and effective remedy for glowing skin and whitening skin also. This is a fine paste for glowing skin and whitening the skin. Friends, the ingredients to make paste are lemon juice, dry milk, almond oil, honey. Now, how to make it? The method is 1 spoon of dry milk, 1 spoon of lemon juice, 1 spoon of almond oil, and after that we use 1 spoon of honey. Friends, mix all the ingredients in a well manner. Honey, the ingredients honey, it rejuvenates the skin, and lemon, that is very beneficial for skin tone, and milk, it has lactic acid property, that is to lighten the skin. For this remedy, skin can glow and also remove the stains from the face, and your skin will be whitened and glowing. Apply this, viewers, apply this remedy, this paste for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with normal water. Friends, if you like my video, please comment me in comment section and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.